So hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today we have a nice video. I want to show you guys how to make $50 to $100 for free for just doing an exchange KYC. So this is Cextor exchange. It is a new exchange. So you do KYC and receive tokens. These tokens, when the live trading start, you'll be able to make between $50 to $100. I'm saying this because I'm 100% confident, because the last time we did this kind of project we got a lot of money. So let me show you the last time we did this kind of project. It was called CTC. We got, if you verified, you got 100 CTC, and you can see CTC launched with 0.3, and it went all the way to $1. I don't have the current exchange now, but this was the actual price. It went all the way to $1, and if you had 100 CTC, you could have made $100 for free. So as you can see, this is I sold at, I think, 0 point something, 0.4, 0.5. I sold early, but I had two accounts. So I had two accounts. One I sold early, the other one I sold at $1. You can see. So guys, that's why I'm telling you guys, you can make literally for free. So how do you do it? So Cextor exchange is available on Play Store. You can go in Play Store and download it, then click on sign up, sign up, and use my invitation code. I will leave my invitation code here. So if you use that invitation code, it is an O, not a zero. You use an O, a capital O. Use the capital O to register. So when you register, you come to your profile. After you have registered, you come onto your profile, click on Reward Hub. Click on Reward Hub. If you click on Reward Hub, you'll be able to see things you can do to get the coins. So the first part is KYC. Verify KYC. You can see here, if you tap here, you'll see that so guys, as you can see, I have already done my KYC. So you will click here, do verify. So if you click here, the tasks say sign up and complete the KYC and get 100 CXTR tokens as reward. So the other thing is refer friends. You can refer your friend, your close friends, those who will do KYC, and receive 50 CXTR per person. So also guys, you can decide to deposit, make a minimum deposit of 0.00 XRP. So meaning one XRP is $2.9. So even if you deposit $1, you'll get 50 CXTR as reward. So the next thing is go to spot trading. Make that $1, just trade with one. It's not a must to deposit that $1. It's just to accumulate some few dollars here and there, some few CXTR. So you can do all this and get those 50 CXTR. And also guys, the most important thing is join their community. You can see I've joined their community. If you join community, you get 25 CXR. So you join on Twitter, you take a screenshot. You join on their Telegram, you take a screenshot, and just go on Twitter and search Cextor, and you'll see their Twitter handle and their Telegram link in bio. So that's how you do it. So to check rewards, just go back, click on portfolio. If you click on portfolio, click on spot trading. If you want to see your reward, click on spot trading and give it a few minutes. You'll see your rewards here. You'll see your 100 rewards. Your rewards will appear here. So let me check. As you can see, you'll be able to see your reward on spot trading, the CXTR for 100 for doing KYC. Now you can do the rest of the rewards. You can see, guys, this is a good exchange. So you have an opportunity to make some few money. Just it will take you only 5 minutes of your time to do KYC and finish all the details you need. Then you just wait for KYC to be approved, and then you see your reward. When your KYC will be finished, you'll see claimed. When you see claimed, your KYC have been approved and your rewards have been sent. So guys, currently there is more traffic. Many people are doing KYC. So if the app loads a lot, just give it some time and finish doing. Then just wait for the people to the time for doing KYC to end, so that they can start listing this project. So this is the end of the video. This is a very useful video. Just go download and use the invitation code on my pinned comment.